he's holding on to both those brakes, what you're going to do is straddle the tire. Put one foot on the tire.
Oh, cool.
Just like that, yeah? So when you put, one knee up, I'll support that knee all the way back.
And I get my leg up?
You can put that arm around his head.
Around his head?
Yeah, come on now. A little can. Get a little foot in the air. Woo! There it is.
Okay, give him a kiss.
Oh, kids, look away. Look away. That's when you go, hold it. No one's even looking anymore. Hold it. Yeah, he's taking my turn. Don't worry about that. I'll get in the last one. So,
Okay, thanks.
No, you're going to stay right there.
Okay.
And I like the fact that you're turned. Kids, come on, kids.
Hurry up.
Hustle up.
Ryan, come
Hustle
on.
up. Hustle up.
Ryan,
Come on,
Ryan.
boy. He's like, ah.
Yeah.
So you're going to come on this side. It's going to be girls on one side. What you're going to do is you're going to hold on to mom's shoulder. And you're going to put both your little feet right there and stand up on it. You just want to step up slowly.
I'm going to die.
No, you won't. No, you won't.
We don't want
Rubber on rubber. You're going to have good
Down
grip.
the mountain. On one bike.
Stand up, youngster. She's like, oh, I'm 85.
You should just take pictures
Boy,
of it.
jump in the front of the tower if you're too nervous to get on that. You better not be too nervous. Right on the shoulder.
We're all going to be on.
We get 4, 5, 6 people on these bikes. Dad supports all the time.
That's right. Financially.
Boom. Stand up straight. Don't be so
Okay, you want to try to
slow. It's all about slow movements for balance.
you want to try to get on the tire there with your mom?
Okay, yeah, a little matrix action right there.
Oh, we're falling now.
There you go.
Okay, this is good. This is good.
Good stuff. There you go.
Okay,
That's
thank you so much.
That's next year's Christmas card right there.
Yeah, right.
All right. Oh.